everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a new vlog. So I want to wish you all a very happy new year today, because though it is 31st today of 2020, but when this vlog will be posted it will be new year. So a very happy new year to all of my viewers, my friends, my family members and all of you, and a belated Merry Christmas to all of you too. So and now it is 2:30 and I am there in my room enjoying the winter sun. It's a very good thing, you know. I just enjoy it very much. So I'll go and have my lunch. I'll share the lunch, which I have a very yummy lunch today. It's chicken biryani and handi. So it's a nice lunch. Okay, so I'll show you all. It's all made by me because I wanted to eat something yummy. So in afternoon, homemade things are good. So I've planned for all this in lunch, and now I don't have any plans of going out, but my mama was telling me that let's go out. What you will do sitting back at home? I had an accident, a minor accident on 25th. So that's why I couldn't post any vlog on 25th. So that's why the pain is still there, but a little bit in my leg. Like I was working out through crafts in winter, like the Christmas crafts. The Christmas tree and gifts, all that. So then I was making there, and in my mandir, actually the Bengali says it Thakur Ghar. So I was sitting there and making my things all. Like, that is the only empty place I get in my house to sit, to leisure time and all. So I was making, and then suddenly my mama called me for getting ready up to go out. I had plans on 25th of going out and sharing everything in vlog. That's why I couldn't make any vlog. But so what? I am making it today on New Year. So hope you all will be enjoying my vlog throughout. Let's see if I'll go out. Then I'll share everything with you all. Till then, let's see what I have in my lunch. So yes, I forgot to show you one thing, the mehendi. I want little bit of it. I think you all can see. It's very light. Yeah, don't know. So whatever. Now my mama is arranging my lunch, and I am going to have it. And then I have to have my medicines. The pain is still there a little bit, but more of it is gone. So I was in bed rest for 4 to 5 days. And then I had the pain off. A little bit of it is there. I have to have the course is there. I have to finish the course. So till then I will have all this. And then I have to comb my hair. Yes, I have to comb my hair. So whatever. Now I'm going to have, and let's see what I have my plans in the evening. So today is the last day of 2020, and it's very sad because 2020 will go off and we'll finish. Though it was a very challenging year, but whatever. People we went out through so many things in this year: isolation, quarantine, lockdown, many things. So the COVID-19, of course. The situation taught us many things. So the beginning of the year went out good because I was having my free boards, and then the ICSE took then both the geography and economics exam got cancelled. So whatever. Then now I'm in class 11 and I'm having fun. I took the decision of opening my new channel also. Sitting back at home, let's do something creative was always in my mind. So let's see, hope that 2021 would go a very far better year ahead. I would say a best and better year. Let's see through what situation we go in 2021, and hope you all enjoy your new year. And I have no plans today, as I'm telling it all the through, but Mama is always telling me go out. 2020 we went out like this because I was sitting back home since 2019 in class 10. The pressure was there. So not too much going out was enough a good thing for me because studies and all. So whatever. So now let's go and have my lunch and let's see what I do in my evening. I'll show you the decorations that I've done, the crafts and all with a nice decoration in evening and let's see. So this is my lunch, chicken biryani and handi. Yummy. So let's have it. Hey, so good evening, and this is the decoration which I was talking about. The whole decoration, the Christmas lighting, and you know the Christmas tree. It's all handmade. The gifts, it's all handmade. The Christmas ring, maybe Xmas and all. It's all done by me, and so this is how I decorated a part of my room. So now I am ready. I'll show you my outfit. So yeah, I am ready here. This is my outfit and this is from Cover Story. I bought it from Shoppers Stop. So here I am, and now I'll go out. I have planned, I don't know where I'll go, but just see where I go. So come with me. So hi everyone, now I am in CC1 and I have been here with Mama. Mama? Yes. So yes, and now I'll just spend some time here and then go back home. It's already late, it's 9:23, so whatever. So let's see where I'll go now. There is very beautiful lighting, you know. I'll show it to you all also. Come. So guys, this is the wonderful lighting. It is at the middle of the mall and the mall is so crowded with people. You all can see everyone has come here to spend their 31st very nicely. So I'll also spend and something, and there's another lighting at the entrance. I'll share. So now we are clicking pictures here basically, and I am clicking thousands of pictures of my mama, but she's not liking any of it as like every time. So here she is. Mama. Yes, so now it's a picture session going on here and I'll do it. So I'll also add the good pictures at the end of the vlog. So this is the entrance lighting. It is very good. It is crowded there, so I am avoiding the crowd actually. So now it is here. I think you all can see it. It is very nice. You know, that's why I come to malls, because malls have such a nice lighting. I'm again in KFC because we arrived. Too much noise is there. I don't know you all can hear me or not. I'm again in KFC because I came late here and no options was there also. Chicken is good. So I don't know, I'll take away or dine in. Let's see what I'll do. And so it's all about now. Let's see, I've ordered it. They're saying that 20 minutes time it will take. Even not more option was there also, and the variety was not there. So this is all about here, and let's see what I'll do now. The dinner has come, so let me show you. I'm done with my dinner now, like yummy KFC chickens, and I've packed some for the morning breakfast, or tomorrow I'll eat. And now I'm ending this vlog here. Hope you liked my video, and don't forget to give a like button and hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and do share my video with all your family members. Say bye to everyone. Bye. And a happy new year in advance to all of you. And I think it's a happy new year because we will go into a new year after this. A cat is going around here. So I'm ending this vlog here. Bye bye everyone.